Have you ever felt like the cosmos have been calling out for you to do more with your passion for astrology? Becoming a certified astrologer is your chance to answer that call and make a profound impact on the lives of others. Astrology is a powerful tool that connects celestial movements with our personal experiences, revealing insights into our personalities, choices, and destinies. By becoming certified, you'll understand these cosmic patterns deeply, allowing you to guide others with clarity and purpose. You'll be equipped to help people navigate their life's challenges, understand their strengths, and uncover their true potential. Imagine the fulfillment of helping someone find direction and meaning through the wisdom of astrology. Certification not only validates your expertise but also opens doors to new opportunities. You can offer one-on-one consultations, lead educational workshops, or create content that inspires and educates a wider audience. This journey will enhance your skills and expand your reach, allowing you to make a lasting impact. Ready to embrace your calling? Visit the link in the comments to learn more about our astrology certification courses and take the first step towards transforming your passion into a powerful tool for guidance and empowerment. Thank you for joining us today. Your passion for astrology can make a profound difference, and we're excited to help you along the way.